Hello everyone, how to McDonald's French fries factory processing millions of French fries. Don't miss an. Let's get starting. McDonald's French fries are produced in large-scale factories that process millions of fries daily. Here's a general overview of how the process works. 1. Potato sourcing. The process begins with the sourcing of high-quality potatoes. McDonald's works with trusted suppliers to ensure the potatoes are of the right size, shape, and quality for frying. 2. Washing and peeling. The potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and other impurities. Afterward, they are peeled, often using a machine that removes the skin quickly and efficiently. 3. Cutting. The peeled potatoes are cut into uniform shapes. McDonald's fries are known for their consistent size and thickness, so the cutting process is automated and precise. The potatoes are typically cut into long strips to achieve the signature French fry look. 4. Blanching. The cut fries are then blanched, pre-cooked in hot water. This step helps to remove excess starch, prevents browning, and ensures a crispy texture after frying. 5. Drying. After blanching, the fries are dried to remove any moisture. This step is essential for achieving a crispy exterior when they are later fried. 6. Freezing. The fries are then frozen to preserve their freshness. Freezing is also done to lock in flavor and texture, ensuring that they stay crisp when they're eventually fried at the restaurant. 7. Packaging. Once the fries are frozen, they are packaged in large bags for shipment to McDonald's locations around the world. These fries are delivered to McDonald's restaurants, where they are fried in vegetable oil until golden and crispy before being served to customers. The entire process is highly automated and carefully controlled to ensure consistency, quality, and safety across the millions of fries that McDonald's serves globally. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now.